If you are looking for job level agentic AI skills, so you can check out this program which is called Job Ready Agentic AI course, so which covers the knowledge from basic level to advanced agentic AI level understanding. You are able to get it. So now what you are able to learn in this course, you will be learning and developing end-to-end agentic AI projects with success metrics. You will be learning and developing experience on AI product manager related roles and responsibilities. You will be learning and developing experience on LangChains, LangGraphs, AutoGen, AWS Bedrock, Crew AI, RAG, and multi-agent architectures. And you will be learning and developing experience on fine-tuning, pre-training LLMs and small language models. And then you will be learning and developing experience on Jenkins, Docker, CI/CD, Kubernetes, AWS, Azure, and GCP. Now, all of these are very, very essential in order to get into the industry right now. And you are able to learn them and you develop an end-to-end use cases around them so that you can place them in your LinkedIn, you can place them in your resume, you can place them in your GitHub as your portfolio or as a POC in your resume. That's going to help you to make a easy career switch. And if you want to really understand all of them from scratch, you can join our live classes. There are 2 slots, weekday slot and a weekend slot. So you can check out with our team. They will be guiding you with the registration process, and the classes are 100% live classes. You're able to experience so with other learners, you're able to ask the doubts, you're able to interact in the classes, and you will be having a one-on-one mentorship for your interview preparation, mock interviews, and how to clear your interview. So they're going to be 100% hand-holding until you clear your interviews. They're going to be support at every stage of your journey, which is very, very essential for the beginners who don't even know anything about Python or SQL or statistics. We will be learning so deep until you crack the interviews. If you're interested, you can check out the links in the description and you can reach out to our team.